In this video, we're going to give you 5 tips to get approved for American Express Platinum Card. For all of you that are luxury enthusiastic travelers, let's jump right into this.
That's right, Gloria. We're going to get you one step closer to getting that American Express card you always wanted. So sit back and relax, Money Magnets. We're getting ready to get started now.
Tip number 1, maintain good credit history. It's really important for this prestigious card for you to have good credit.
To have the best chances of getting approved for American Express, make sure your scores are over 680. For the best chances, have over a 700 credit score. American Express loves great credit scores.
It's also very important that you keep your utilization low and continue to build credit.
Look, it's best to have a 3 to 5 year credit history before even attempting to apply for American Express.
You also want to make sure you don't have any 30-day lates within the last 2 years.
Look, drop a comment below about your experience with American Express. And guess what? Whoever drops a comment, we're going to send you a free digital copy of our book, The Psychology of Credit.
Tip number 2, manage your existing debt. American Express always looks at your debt to income ratio when you're applying for one of these prestigious cards.
So make sure you keep your balances low. One major mistake that we see our students do all the time, they don't pay their bills down before the close date. The close date is the date that the creditors send the information over to the credit bureaus. So you always want to pay by the due date, but you want to look at your credit card right before the close date.
And also, just a quick note, with this prestigious card, American Express does require that you pay your bill in full within 30 days.
Hey, stay tuned for tip number 5. It holds most people back from applying for American Express, but don't let it hold you back.
Tip number 3, make sure that you're building a positive payment history. Lenders like American Express, they're looking to make sure that you're paying your bills on time, that there's no 30-day late.
Make sure you don't have a 30-day late in the last 2 years. A 30-day late can possibly kill your credit score. Most of the time we see a 30-day late, it hurts your credit score by about 100 points or more.
Also, American Express love big spenders. Make sure that you have high limits on your current credit cards. And if you don't, and it's as simple as calling your credit card company and asking for an increase.
For those of you who are having trouble with your credit, we have a link in the description where AI can help you fix your credit score in under 1 hour. So make sure you check that out. Hey, we're going to get right back to the video. But do you know the number one reason that businesses fail is lack of capital? So Gloria and I created Luxury Credit Secrets, which teaches you a system of how to continually raise capital. If you want a free business strategy call, look for the link in the description below and set an appointment, and we'll see you there. Now let's get back to the video.
Tip number 4, make sure your business income is stable, because American Express want to be assured that you can pay your balance off in full every month.
Look, and make sure you don't lie on the application because it can come back to haunt you. American Express is notorious for asking for income statements even after you're approved.
And when we mean income statements, we mean like 4506Ts. That means that they're going to pull your tax transcript. Marvin, I remember when we got our first American Express card, I was so excited. And American Express said, hey, Gloria, I need you to fill out this 4506T. And they sent that transcript over to the IRS to verify my income.
So make sure to be accurate with your income on the application because they will double check.
And if you're looking to do a side hustle, you may want to check out our side hustle video.
Yeah, because earning extra income can do nothing but help. And guess what? You may be able to apply for another American Express Platinum card.
Tip number 5, be prepared for the annual fee. Now, American Express has an annual fee that is $695. But here comes the good part.
When you get approved for the American Express, you get 80 to 100,000 bonus points when you spend $6,000 in the first 6 months. Here are some of the perks. You get a $200 hotel credit, a $200 Uber credit, $240 entertainment bonus, and a $100 Saks Fifth Avenue bonus.
Oh wow, Marvin, I love that Saks bonus. And let's not forget, it gives you access to the Delta Sky Lounge. So if you are a big time traveler, there's nothing like kicking your feet back in that Sky Lounge.
Hey Gloria, the food is amazing also. Don't forget, you get 5 times the points on flights, 5 times the points on prepaid hotels, and 1 time the points on all other purchases.
Wow, that's a big deal, Marvin. You can also transfer those points to buy an airline ticket. To go shopping, there's unlimited amount of things that you can do. And let's not forget, they also offer concierge, where they can help you book all of your travel. They can help you find a restaurant to go to. There is no limit to what American Express, they rolled out the red carpet for us.
And with hotels, you get an early checkout, you may even get an upgrade, and a late checkout. And speaking of checkout, check out the next video. I'm Mr. Smith.
And I'm Mrs. Smith.
And we're here to help empower your finances.